So, what exactly is fiber? I'm so glad you asked. I thought you would never ask. So, fiber is a type of carbohydrate. However, we as humans cannot digest fiber. Yes, we don't digest fiber. So, then why is it so important? I'm going to tell you. So, we as humans have something called a gut microbiome filled with thousands, millions of bacteria, also known as your gut bacteria. So, your gut bacteria's favorite food is fiber. Your gut bacteria is the one that will actually go in and digest and break down this fiber that we as humans cannot digest. So, when your gut bacteria break down this fiber from these fiber rich foods, they release something called short chain fatty acids. Now, short chain fatty acids go into the body and have huge health benefits when it comes to the health of your entire body. This is essentially why fiber is so important because our bodies need those short chain fatty acids that get released when we consume fiber and our bacteria break it down, because those short chain fatty acids go into different processes in our body and keep us healthy as a whole. Fiber also plays a huge role in lowering blood cholesterol, also managing blood sugars, which is huge. A lot of times when we start to see higher blood sugar levels, higher A1C, we start to see insulin resistance. If we look at that person's diet, we can see a lack of fiber many times. This is the case. Also, the thing fiber is most known for, just by common knowledge, is for your bowel movement. So, regulating your bowel movements, having healthy, consistent, regular bowel movements. Fiber is also very important for that. And that might not seem like it might not seem like it's that important. It's not glamorous, doesn't sound cool, but you want healthy bowel movements. Trust me, you want them. Okay. Now, what foods are high in fiber? So that's going to be whole grains like whole grain bread, whole wheat bread, oatmeal. You also have with your beans and legumes, you have black eyed peas, chickpeas, lentils, red beans. Name them all the beans and legumes, very amazing sources of fiber. And then you also have berries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, especially the blackberries and raspberries, very high in fiber. And then, of course, we have vegetables. Now, vegetables don't have as much fiber as you would think, depending on the vegetable you're eating and the quantity that you're eating when you compare it to the other sources I mentioned, such as beans and berries. However, it does add up, and vegetables have a ton of micronutrients that are very important to your body. So, eat your vegetables, kids. I hope that answered your question. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please comment below and I'll talk to y'all soon. Okay, bye.